The ASUS ROG Strix G16, 2025 is designed for gamers who want strong performance and smooth reliability in every match, project, and daily task. You'll find the link to this product in the description below. It features a sharp 16-inch 2.5K ROG Nebula display with a super-fast 240Hz refresh rate, giving you smooth, clear gameplay even in fast-paced moments. With a 3 milliseconds response time and a 16:10 aspect ratio, the screen offers both speed and extra workspace, making it great for gaming, editing, and multitasking. Powering this laptop is the Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX processor, built for quick loading, multitasking, and handling heavy apps with ease. Paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070Ti GPU, you get impressive graphics, ray tracing, and DLSS support that make games look brighter, more detailed, and more realistic. This combination delivers strong performance for gaming, content creation, and demanding professional tasks. The ROG Strix G16 also uses advanced cooling to maintain stable performance during long sessions. With 32GB of DDR5 RAM, you can run multiple apps, stream, and edit without lag. The 1TB SSD gives you fast boot times and plenty of storage for games and large files. Wi-Fi 7 ensures fast, stable online gameplay, and Windows 11 Home provides a clean and smooth user experience. Overall, the ASUS ROG Strix G16, 2025 delivers excellent visuals, strong performance, and reliable hardware built for both gamers and creators. If you're looking for speed, clarity, and long-term durability, this laptop is a powerful choice. You'll find the link to this product in the description below.